Hi everyone and welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina and today I'm going to take you through a quick morning yoga class to help you stretch out your body and get really clear and ready for your day. Get focused and get energized. So hop on the mat and let's get started. So just come standing at the top of your mat. And just take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, just feel your shoulders dropping and becoming present to this moment on the mat. And just setting an intention for your day. So think of one word of how you would like your day to go. I'm going to think of the word energy, to feel energized throughout the day and to have focus. Because whatever you focus on is where your energy flows. So when you set an intention, it allows you to focus on how you'd like your day to go. And then gently open your eyes, come to the top of your mat. I'm going to start off with taking the hands up, breathing in, stretching back. Maybe you can see your arms, your hands in the air, and then folding forward. And then maybe taking one step back, taking the other step back and just pedaling your feet. And then coming down onto all fours. And then just coming back, feeling a lovely stretch on your back and your hands. And then coming up, moving your hips from side to side. And then coming to seated. And that should have woken you up, ready for your day. Let's do some shoulder rolls one way. And then the other way. And some neck rotations. Wonderful stretches to do anytime during the day, especially if you're seated at a desk. And then the other way. Just slowly taking your time. Breathing deeply. And then when your head comes to the center, just curving your spine like this. And then as you breathe in, looking forward, breathing out, looking down, curving your spine, breathing out, looking forward, breathing out, looking down. And then coming to the center. And then bringing one leg forward and the other foot against your thigh. And then we're just going to stretch up, pushing your tailbone down. It's going to help to protect your back. And then you're just going to come down, feeling a lovely stretch on this leg at the back, your calf, your thigh. And then just taking it over to the side, because this time now you're feeling a stretch on the side. Just going, if you're here, perfect. If you're here, that's perfect. You don't need to go all the way down. There's no such thing as a perfect posture. So just do what feels comfortable. And then coming up slowly. Let's do the other side. Breathing in, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, and then coming down. Remember, go as far as you can. You can be here, you can be here, you can be here. As long as you're feeling a stretch, it's doing its job. And then coming over to the side, just feeling a beautiful stretch on the side here. And breathe. And then come to the center. And then we're going to just twist. So we're stretching up, taking one hand on the knee and the other hand behind you, or you can take it on your back here. Breathing in, stretching up, and as you breathe out, just doing a lovely stretch here. And then coming to the center, stretching up, pushing your tailbone down, one hand on the knee, the other hand either on the mat behind you or bringing it on your behind your back, and then just feeling a beautiful stretch here, and then coming to the center, and then just closing your eyes, thinking about that one word on how you would like your day to go. Because whatever you focus on is where your energy goes. So remember to focus your energy on purpose and in the direction that you want it to go. I hope you enjoyed this class. You're feeling energized and ready for your day. If you enjoyed the class, please do share with somebody who might appreciate it as well. Subscribe so I can continue making free videos on YouTube. And if you have any requests, do let me know so I can create classes that you would like to do. And so I love to see you again on the mat. Look forward to practicing with you again. And until next time, namaste.